All parties Hurriyat conference has expressed grave concern over the continued silence of the international community regarding the atrocities and the political injustices being inflicted by the BJP-led Indian government in occupied Kashmir. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhaj said that despite deploying massive military force and employing every brutal tactic, the Modi government has failed to break the will of the Kashmiri people. Congress has sharply criticized occupied Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, questioning whom he is trying to protect by belatedly taking the responsibility of the Pahalgam false flag operation. Criticism follows Sinha's admission in an interview to a leading India daily, where he acknowledged that there was a security lapse in the Pahalgam incident and that he took full responsibility of the April 22nd attack. India's left parties condemned the police manhandling of the occupied Kashmir. Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, who scaled the gates of a graveyard in Srinagar to pay tribute to the martyrs of July 13, with the Communist Party of India Marxists demanding an apology from the New Delhi appointed Lieutenant Governor of the territory for the assault on the CM. The CPIM also slammed the house arrest of the various political leaders. A group of the aggrieved aspirants for the Fire and Emergency Services Department staged a protest at the press enclave in Srinagar, denouncing the authorities' decade-long inaction on the recruitment scam in occupied Kashmir. The protesters said that the occupied Kashmir administration's prolonged silence on the issue reflects its deliberate indifference. National Conference has called on New Delhi appointed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha to resign and apologize to the people of occupied Kashmir after he sought to take the full responsibility for the Pahalgam attack. In a media interview, National Conference leader and the spokesperson Imran Nabi Dar said that the next logical step for him, Manoj Sinha, should be to step down and apologize to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, whose lives, livelihood and dignity were put at stake due to the blunders. 5 persons died and 17 others sustained injuries after a vehicle skidded off a road and plunged into a deep gorge in the Roda district. The vehicle veered off in the mountainous areas of the district.